Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Sichuan flavored double cooked pork. Hope you will like it. First, prepare the pan and boil some water. Put a piece of pork belly into the pan while the water is still cold. Prepare some scallion and add into the pan. Add some Sichuan pepper and some cooking wine. We need to wait until the pork is fully cooked. Take the pork out from the pan. Cut it into slices. Clean the pan and add a little cooking oil to it. Put the pork belly into the pan. Stir fry until the oil of the pork belly comes out. Now we need to cut some ginger and garlic into slices. Put the garlic, ginger, and some tempeh into the pan. Add half spoon of broad bean paste. Stir fry until the red oil comes out. Now cut some green pepper and add into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, and some sugar. Stir fry for a short time. In the end, cut some garlic sprouts and add into the pan. Stir fry a little bit and turn off the fire. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.